Hello dear children, welcome back. Today we are discussing about mode of the group data. The same chapter, previous 3 lectures we have seen mean of the grouped data, 3 different methods. First one, direct method. Second one is assumed mean method, and the third one, what was it? Step deviation method. Now mean is over. Now the next segment, mode of the group data. Mode of the group data. So please take page number 272. Page number 272. Mode of the group data. So dear students, we are going to discuss the mode of the group data. But do you know how to find out the mode of the ungrouped data that we have learned in 9th standard? Yes. Some are still remembering the mode of the ungrouped data. So that is the maximum number of frequency repeatedly occurring. That is, here also it is given the maximum frequency, the value of the observation having maximum frequency. Repeatedly occurs the number. So that is mode of the ungrouped data. Here also the Stokes example 4 is given. Very simple question is there. You can see page number 272. The wickets taken by a bowler in 10 cricket matches are as given below. So you can see the table. Example 4. Look at the table. 10 matches, 10 cricket matches, and each matches a bowler obtained the number of wickets. The first matches, the column is given number of wickets and number of matches. You can see the table. First match, no wicket, that is 0 wickets. Then 0 wickets, 1 match, 1 wicket again in 1 match, 2 wickets in 3 matches, 3 wickets in 2 matches, 4 wickets in 1 match, 5 wickets in 1 match, 6 wickets in 1 match. So here the mode is 2 because 3 times he gets 2 wickets each. In 3 matches he took 2 wickets each. So that way the maximum times occurrence, 2 wickets, 1 match, 2 wickets, again second match, 2 wickets, another third match. So 3 matches he took 2 wickets each. So 2 is the mode, that is ungrouped. Okay. Now today we are discussing the much more important formula, mode of the grouped data. As I told you in the beginning of the chapter, in this chapter the formula is very important. Correct? Formula is very important. Without formula, it is difficult to move forward even a single inch. I have told you the formula is just like our key of the cupboard. Without the key, you cannot open it. Even though you have a lot of gold ornaments and money, cash in bags and filled in that box, the cupboard, losing that key of the cupboard. So how can we take all these treasures, all this money? So when you go out from the home, sometimes with the family, all the family members, we used to keep the door closed. So if you are losing the key, how can you enter the home? So keeping the key with us and protecting with safeguarding that key is much more important. So that way, this particular chapter, and there are many chapters of area and volume also, many formulas are there. So, formula is very important. Already we have 3 different formulas for a mean of the group data. I have told you. As the formula, also the tabular column. 3 different methods, different tabular columns are there. Direct method, assumed mean method, and step division. Different types of tabular columns are there. That's also very important. Here also, now mode of the group data. So now let us directly go to the formula. Mode of the group data, page number 272. Mode equal to L plus F1 minus F0, F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Now these I kept it in the back bracket. F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2, I kept it in the bracket and multiplied with the H. And L plus. Now, one thing you remember, and L is separated from this plus sign is separated L. We need to keep that L toward the end of the equation. So that means you need to solve these things, this section. A plus shoulder, your rest of the thing, F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. This particular portion you have to solve. Then that answer add it to L. Okay. I will clear it while doing here. You can see one example is already solved here. That you can see there. Now, what is L? L stands for lower limit of the model class. Says this is also very important. What is this all letters stands for? If you don't have any idea about this, what is L, F1, F2, F0, A, and the things will become very difficult to understand. Okay? So this is the most important one. Recognize the person, understand the person. What is L? L, the lower limit of the model class. Model class. You need to find out the model class. Lower. If you know the model class, then you can find out the lower limit. I will help you. How to find out the model class? Page. Now, let us finish this. H, the size of the class, that means the length of the class. Class length. 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 10, 10. Okay. 0 to 5, 6 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20. One distance classes. So the class interval, that is the size of the class. F1, the frequency of the model class. Again, the frequency of the model class. So we need to find out the model class. I will help you how to find out the model class. How to find out the model class. Of course, I can help you. Then frequency of the F0, the frequency of the class preceding the model class, preceding, and F2, the frequency of the class succeeding the model class, succeeding the model class. So we need to find out the model class, and also we need to find out who is preceding and who is succeeding, preceding and succeeding. So one who is moving, walking ahead, friend of me, that is proceeding. One who is walking, bike, oh, succeeding. Okay, I will show you. Okay, three persons are here. Someone is friend, okay, and one is bike. One who is standing, friend, succeeding, and proceeding. Okay, so let us find out. I will show you the example who is proceeding and who is succeeding. So remember. Now you remember these things. L, the lower limit of the model class. S, the size of the model class. F1, frequency of the model class. F0, the frequency of the class proceeding, and F2, the frequency of the model class succeeding the model class. So this is the formula. So first of all, memorize and by heart the formula. Memorize and by heart the formula, and also remember all these. All these things, L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All these elements are there. What is L? What is F0, F1, F2, H? That should be, very important key. And also remember the formula. Come on. Now let us do example 5 from page number 270. Example 5, page number 2. And what is the question? A survey conducted on 20 households in a locality by a group of students resulted in the following frequency table for the number of family members in a household. Selected students, some selected students sending to the colony. Then they were asked to collect the number of members in the family. The assignment given to them, the group of students, assignment is given. You go to the colony and go to every house, each and every house, and ask them, hello, how many members are here? Okay, only that way. So the group is going and they are, hello, yes, we are from Tax Vigas and Savage School. So can you please, how many members are there in your family? 3. Okay, right? 3 members. Again moving to the another house. Again knocking. Hello. Again. Hello, we are from Sketchville St. Xavier School. We want to know the number of members in the family. 8? Oh, 8 members. Okay, very good. 8 members. So that way. That is group data, tabular form. Family size 1 to 3. Certain houses, the number of members is 1 to 3. My family only 3 members. Me, wife, 1. So 1 to 3 members. Okay. Then, how many families were? 7 families. There were 7 families with the 3 members. Now, 3 to 5 members. 3 to 5 members. 8 families were there. 5 to 7 members. Oh, big family. 5 to 7 members. 2 families. 7 to 9. Larger family. 7 to 9 members, maybe husband, wife, their parents, or plus 3, 7. Okay, it's okay, possible. Now 2 families, 9 to 11, 1 family, oh, largest family, biggest family. 9 to 11 members, 1 family. Okay, this is the table. Okay, now look at. Now first of all, we need to find out the model class. Model class. What to do is, the idea is to find out the maximum frequency. Where it is? Maximum frequency. Here it is. class. Clear? So that is the method to find out the model class. Very simple. We need to find out the maximum number of frequency. The first column 7, 8, 2, 2, 1, 1 to 3 members, 7 families, 3 to 5, 8 families, 5 to 7, 2 families, 7 to 9, 2 families, 9 to 11, 1 family. So to find out the model class. How to find out the model class? Tell me maximum number of frequency. Look at maximum number of frequency 8. So corresponding to 8, the class is 3 to 5. So hence here you can start the answer part. Answer part. Here the maximum frequency is 8. So the model class is 3 to 5. Model class is 3 to 5. Correct? Model class is 3 to 5. Clear? So now the model class is. Now we can find out each channel. Now we need to find out L. Now look at what is L? L, the lower limit of the model class. Lower limit of the model class. 3 to 5 in the class. This is lower limit. This is upper limit. The lower limit is 3. Okay? Lower limit is 3. So you can write here. You can write here 3. Clear? The lower limit is 3. And now H, the height of the class 1 to 3, 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 2 5, 3 to 5, 3 plus 2 5, 7, 5 to 7, 5 plus 2 7, 7 to 9, 7 plus 2 9, and 9 to 11, 9 plus 2 11. So the class length is limited to 2. So that is our H. Now F1. What is F1? Frequency of the model class. Yeah, it is already decided. Frequency of the model class. Model class 3 to 5, and its frequency is 8. So F1 equal to 8. Now F0. What is F0? Frequency of the class preceding the model class. Preceding पीछे चलने वाला है. देखिए preceding पीछे चलने वाला मॉडल का फ्रीक्वेंसी इसके पीछे वाला कौन है? 7. So F0, this is F0, this is F1, this is F2. ठीक है? It's very easy. Once you select the highest frequency, that is F1, then order F0, 0, 1, 2. You can write here. Very simple. Proceeding, succeeding. Yeah. Don't worry. Now F2, that is succeeding. F2 means that is succeeding. अभी आने वाला है succeeding, that is 2. Okay. Now this is simplest thing. You remember F1, F0, F1, F2. Of course, F1 is the frequency. Then you remember the order 0, 1, 2, 3, ascending order. So F0, F1, and F2. F0 here 7, F1, of course, the frequency of the model class, then F2. So you can write it. Write with जैसे I have written here. You can also use. You can also some notes you can keep there. So that will be very useful for you. So now F0, F1, and F2. Okay. Now mode again. Write the formula. What is mode? L plus. What is mode? L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. L means 3. Okay, L is 3 plus F1 minus F0. That means 8 minus 7 upon 2F1. F1 8, 2F1 means 2 into 8 minus 7 minus 2. Okay. Now here it is direct 2 upon 7. I have written. I'll show you how to do the calculation here. Right here, here 3 plus 8 minus 7, that is 1 upon 2 8s are 16 negative numbers. So minus 7 minus 2 minus 9. Minus 7 minus 2 minus 9. So 16 minus 9. 16 minus 7 minus 2. Minus 7 minus 2 minus 9. So 16 minus 9. 16 minus 7 9 7. Okay. 7, that is equal to 3 plus 2 ones are 2, that is 2 upon 7, that is this is equal to multiply 16 minus 7 7 and 2 ones are 2 and here is 2 is there, 2 ones are 2 upon 7, that is 3 plus 2 upon 7. Now how to add this? Now you need to find out, divide 2 upon 7 first. First of all, you find out the value of 2 upon 7. Then you add that particular value, the value of 2 upon 7 to 3. So how to divide 2 upon 7? 2 upon 7. 2 upon 7. Put 0, put point. 7 2s are 14. 6 carry. 60. 7 8s are 56. 4 carry. Then 7 5s are 35. Okay. Then 5. Then 7 7s are 49. So the answer is 0.2 upon 7 equal to 0.2857. Okay. Now here 3.286. I mean correcting up to 2 decimal places. Now here it is 7. So 7, you can add one more here. If 5 or more than 5 is there, you have to add one more here. That is equal to 0.286. So that is 3 plus 0.286. That is 3.286. And here I will show you once again. You can show you the calculation again here. Okay. Listen here. Now L equal to, that is mod equal to L, that is 3 plus F1 minus F0, that is F1 is 8 minus F0 is 7 upon 2F1, that is 2 into F1 is 8 minus F0, that is 7 minus F2, that is 2 multiply with the equal to 3 plus, that 3 is 3 should not be mixed with the second part, that 3 should be kept to the last, up to the last step. Okay. Now 8 minus 7, that is 1, 2 8s are 16 minus 7 minus 2 into 2 equal to again 3 plus 1 upon 7 minus 7 minus 2, both are negative integers, negative numbers. Minus 7 minus 2 minus 9. 16 minus 9, 7 into 2 equal to 3 plus, then 3 should be there. Then now 2 ones are 2 upon 7 equal to, this is 1 into 2 upon, this 2 ones are 2 upon 7, that is 2 upon 7. Now again 2 upon 7, we can divide 2 upon 7, 2 divided by 7, what was the answer? 0.286. So 3 plus 0.286 equal to 3.8. Okay, 3.286. So it's very simple. The answer is, the mean of the data is, the mode of the data is 3.286. So again, example 6. Example is 6 is table number 14.3. Table number 14.3. Where is it? Page number 263. You can see example 6 is there, but the question, please look. See the table 263. So that question 10 to 25, 25 to 40. So that question suffering can do that example 6. And also please complete exercise 14.2. Okay, now do it fast or homework. Okay, stay safe, don't get tense. Nowadays, there are a lot of limitations. I told you. See, frankly speaking, it is the teacher's responsibility to wake up, do the homework, and parents, and it is their responsibility to push and pull. Every time nowadays, last 3-4 months you are in the same, you are in the home, and every time using playing and watching TV serials. So now school reopens, these all exercises are coming to the mobile. So the parents are pushing and pulling. Come, do something, write something. So don't, dear student, don't take it as a burden. Each and everybody is doing their duties. The parents are doing their duties. The teachers are doing their duties. And you have to do your responsibility. What is your responsibility? It's learning. Okay? Now the problem, sir, we don't have net connection, we have a lot of problems. So we have 3-4 members, 3-4 students, and it is very difficult. My father is coming so late, my brother is not giving him mobile. It's happening everywhere, every home, the whole universe. Okay? So it's natural. Don't be get tensed. If possible, within your limitation, do it. Okay? Now, for time being, we need to be very careful about this COVID-19 virus. Okay? So that is why we are keeping same distance from everybody. That's why we are not meeting together. Okay? So I want to meet you. Deliberately, I want to meet you. No. Because I'm teaching in front of a 7th, 10th standard itself. I am doing this all things. You can see from this board itself, you can understand this is 10th standard, our 10th standard. It's very difficult situation for us, without students, empty benches, and now I can see 5 plus 5, 10 plus 5 benches. Nobody is here, empty class, and all the teachers, some others are doing their class preparation and teaching, recording and all things. So everybody is not happy about this situation. Not at all you. But dear students, always be hopeful, be happy. Okay? The good things to come, the good days to come. Don't take more, don't street and quarreling with your father, recharge the mobile, I need more good mobile. Nothing should be there. I have told you, any problem doing your homework and any difficulties, you can share with your teachers, you can share with your parents. Don't get tense. Okay? Don't keep it in your mind. Everything have the solutions. We have the solutions. Okay, don't have the net connections, so I can excuse, or all the teachers can excuse. Okay, so do it. You keep writing. So if, another method is there. If you don't have the system, you can approach your friends. You can collect the friends' notebook if possible. The nearby friends, you go to your nearby friend's home, you collect the notebook and you complete your note. Okay. After waiting 1-2 weeks, okay, you can convey message. You can just call up the respective teachers, call up me for mathematics and social studies. Sir, this is the problem. So please excuse for 1 week or 2 weeks. So it's human. You can understand the difficulty of each and every problem. You have the difficulties, I also have the difficulty. Everybody, human being, we all are human beings, and we have our own difficulties. But we need to fight. This will go, the coronavirus period will go. The good days to come. The good days to come. You know, once the vaccine is available, then everything. A lot of diseases are there. HIV, Ebola, swine flu. We are surviving. We are surviving all these merciless, dangerous, killing diseases. So please understand. And this is also, we will overcome. We will overcome this. So be confident, be brave. Okay? So call me at any time. Don't be tense. We shall overcome. We shall overcome. We shall overcome. Oh, deep in my heart, I will not be. We shall overcome someday. Okay, so see you. See you again next class. Bye bye.